Well, apparently there's going to be a big, huge snowstorm. It's just starting now. Of course, I have an appointment. But I'll be home before the worst of it. Well, at that store you can pick up a box to put your groceries in, or you have to pay for your grocery bags here. I don't know if you guys have to do that in the States, but in Canada you do. I found these in the car. These are from my Dollar Tree haul, which got left behind. Got some unsweetened applesauce, a bag of clementines. They were $3.97. The applesauce was $1.27, I believe. Some Wonder Wraps. These I found are really good quality and they're always super soft. These were $3. Avocados. They're small in this one, the ones we get here. But that's $2.97, and that's a good price for avocados. Bag of peppers, $3.97. English cucumber, 77 cents. Sweet potatoes, both of those were $2.27. They weigh them. Package of baby spinach, that is $4.99 or $4.97, I can't remember exactly. And I picked up a linguine, $1.27. That's a good price for pasta here. So thanks so much for watching my haul, and see you guys soon.